Look, Samantha. Yay! Look at her dance! Dance, dance, dance! Dance, dance, dance. See her dance. Now she's happy. It's like, oh yeah. It's like, oh, I get it. Good job, Taylor.
Now I have my own thingy.
Ooh, what is it? I'm trying to remember some of the things you asked Santa for. What is it?
What is it?
Open it, hurry!
I know what it is because it says it on the box.
What does it say in the box?
Furby!
Furby!
Oh, let's see him. Oh, press his tummy. It says. You supposed to say yes or no?
Yes.
Say yes. Oh, look! You responded. You said yay. Hi, Samantha. Yep. Yes.
Yes.
See? He's happy. Okay, go open something else, Goose. And give Samantha something. Actually, you can open another present. You can open another present first. Oh, watch out! She's gonna want to play with that all day. What are you opening? Bring it here so we can see you open it, Goose. Oh, that's your numbers. Your magnetic numbers because you wanted them like Samantha.